Okay, so I am on the run today, and I thought, let me quickly film something for you because this is something that I've been thinking of lately, and that is, when last did you think of your life, the life that you're living, um, the way it looks, the way it's structured? When last did you step out of your life and looked in and realize that you're not happy? You're not happy with what you've formulated for yourself, what you've created for you as a life. And I want to encourage you that even if you're not happy, you can find happiness. If you allow yourself to become quiet, you will actually be able to root yourself and say, okay, with some small changes, I can find happiness. Or in my case, I've been dreaming about a different life for a long time. Me and Andrew wanted to move back to Cape Town before we started immigrating, hopping countries. Um, we wanted to really go back to Cape Town. We wanted to live closer to nature. We wanted to live more intentionally. We were minimalists. We had fairly little. Well, until we started packing up and selling stuff, we realized we actually had way more than what we actually used. But we had a heart's desire way before we had intention. And that's what I want to ask you about. Like, deep inside of you, do you have a heart's desire that's looking slightly different from the life that you're currently living? Or do you just know that you're having a heart's desire for a different life? And you need to actually look into what that could be. And I want to encourage you. Um, I hate the saying that you live the life you created, because sometimes our circumstances throw us into a life cycle that we don't always want. But I want to encourage you by saying this is a good 12 years on, 15 years on from when I first realized I want to live a different life. So a lot of time has passed, and we had to do a lot of things and go through a lot of heartache to get here, but we got here. And that is what I want to encourage you for. Sorry about the sound. Sorry about the background. Like I say, we are running around today. I forgot my microphone. I knew I was going to be filming on the run. So, yeah. And that is about the short and the long of it. I did do a video recently about energy and finding your energy and checking into your energy. So I'm going to link it here for you so that you can go and check that one out next. Because I do believe that when we're extremely busy and running around and trying to find our feet, that we do lose energy. And when we're low on energy, we also seem to lose ourselves. So it's very important for me to check in with my energy quite often. So I want you to do that for yourself and find a life, even if it's only in your head for now. Find the life that will truly find your happiness and make you happy. And if that is to earn more money, or if that is to not work, or if that is to start your own business, it doesn't matter what it looks like, and it doesn't matter how far removed it is from your current life. It doesn't matter. The matter is you first have to know the intent before you can put it into action. Guys, until next time, enjoy living life. Bye.